News for Jackson, Chief Meteorologist David Heckard. Definitely getting dry out there. In fact, the Jacksonville airport's now below average for the month of October and early November. It's about 2.5 inches below where we normally see the rainfall, and that rainfall is leading now to borderline drought conditions, especially out towards areas west of the city of Jacksonville. Let's show you the drought monitor heading into last week. Notice the area of yellow out towards Lake City and Waycross. That's conditions that are considered abnormally dry. But then this week, big uptick. You can see the area of yellow now includes Brunswick, Fernandina Beach, even the north and west sides of the city of Jacksonville officially abnormally dry. And the area of tan that you see here out towards the west, Valdosta, Lake City, those are conditions that are now considered a moderate drought. And you get west of Tallahassee, severe drought now setting in into portions of the panhandle of Florida. So the conditions really getting dry out there. There is some good news, though. We're going to see some rainfall this weekend, and a pretty large storm system is expected to develop in the Bahamas Election Day heading into Wednesday. It's likely going to produce periods of rain, and strong northeasterly winds will develop that may enhance the rainfall in some of our coastal and beach locations. And there's some indications we head towards the middle part of the week. We're probably going to see, or middle part of the month, excuse me, probably going to see wetter than average conditions continuing as we get through northeast Florida and southeast Georgia. Again, additional good news. We continue to pick up that beneficial rainfall, but there are some strong indications heading towards the back end of the month in December. We may see the waterworks really shut down. In fact, this is the seasonal drought outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. The area of yellow that you see kind of filled in here from Augusta back through parts of Alabama and even through the heart of Jacksonville, that's an area that the Climate Prediction Center is out looking for the potential of drought development. So we've already had a very dry October. Probably going to see some rainfall here early November, but it may be difficult to keep a drought from developing heading into the back end of 2022. I'm Assistant Chief Meteorologist David Heckard for Channel 4, the local station.